place still I stand. Hey, shout it, here I am. Hey, never had you seen in your lifetime. I'm on the vine, southern rapper with a swag like mine. Facing all kind of time, but smile like I.
Man, that was crazy, man.
Yeah, man.
Yep. Let's get out of here.
Hurry up, man. The right here. The door ain't open, man.
Oh, alright, hold on. Alright, easy. Did I get it?
Nah, still ain't open.
Man, wait, you gotta wait for me to do it then. Alright.
Open the door.
Oh, alright.
Ain't open.
Get in, man.
No, it ain't.
Get in,
Come open the door.
man. Right there. Man, stop. You can't hit the handle as soon as I hit the lock. You have to wait. Man, you can't pull the handle as soon as I do it, man. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. You can't hit the handle as soon as I hit the lock. You gotta wait a second. Man, stop breathing on my window, man.
Open the door.
Man, I'm trying to open the door, man. Just wait. Alright, here. Man, stop playing, man.
What?
Stop playing. Oh, hold up. Hello? Huh? Hey, Mom. Yeah. I mean, nothing. No, I'm not busy. Huh? Oh, no. Oh, okay. Yeah, of course. Alright. Love you too, Mommy. Okay, bye. Hey.
Oh, who's that?
Oh, it was, my, gynecologist. Yeah, my,
Really?
yeah. Yeah.
Well, now you have the nice little chat and everything. Can you open the door?
Oh, right. Alright, yeah. Yeah. Hey, man, come on, man. Be easy on the car, man. Man, stop, man. I'm trying to unlock it, man. Man, I can't even. Man, what? What? Open the. Oh, alright. Yeah. Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
All I ask from you, Kobe, is just see this button right here, right? See it?
Yes.
See, you just gotta press
Oh,
this button right here.
yes.
I open the door,
Yeah.
get in the car, then we go on with our business. But
Yeah.
why can't you do that?
Oh, okay.
Now open the door.
Okay. Let me.
It's still unopened. It's still unopened.
Hey, man, did you see that new Taco Bell down there? You said you want to go Taco Bell. You want to go Taco Bell after this?
Well, nah, they see what happened. They rebuilt it. You didn't see that
Oh,
curtain over there?
I'm pretty sure they got rid of it. I wasn't exactly sure.
They got some kind of cafe over there now.
Really?
Yeah. I'm gonna get a job there.
Oh, did you fill out an application there? I could have sworn you told me you did.
won't.
No, that was the movie. That was the movie. That was the
Oh, no, tomorrow.
I can't believe they fired you for real. That's crazy.
I gotta get home. Open the door, man.
Oh, right. Open it. The door. Yeah. Man, why don't you just, man. Hey, man, come on, man. Stop eating my Sour Patch Kids, man.
Open the door.
Man, come on.
Open the door. Open the door.
No more Sour Patch Kids.
Open the door.
No more Sour Patch Kids.
Ow, forget it.
Freaking chill, man. Let's go, man. Wait a second.